What is a metaverse? We asked a lot of people what is metaverse. This is what they had to say.
A metaverse for me is an immersive digital platform that helps me discover, learn about new things, such as exciting new technology and new products. For me, metaverse I think is an online environment where I can collaborate with others, learn from their experience and share mine.
Metaverse is an awesome creative environment where I can play games, create things, and move around in virtual worlds.
Unbookmark your life and let your experiences free. Join bubblspace today, limited seats only. Reach out to us at bubblspace and join our closed alpha version.